Arteries are the blood vessels in the body that carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. If you go and physically look at the structure of it, the structure can almost be categorized into layers. So if we look at the first layer, so the layer that's in contact with the blood, that is called the Tunica Intima. Right? So the Tunica Intima layer is a layer which is in contact with the blood. It's made out of flat squamous cells. This helps reduce friction. Underneath that you have a basal or a basement layer that just goes and holds that in place. Then after that you have a layer that's made up primarily of the protein elastin. The elastin there is to go and counteract the increase in pressure when the heart contracts. So the elastin goes, as the heart contracts, you get a big bulge of blood. So the elastin goes and it pushes it back into place. Right, the next layer is called the Tunica Media. So it's the layer in the middle. It's made up primarily of smooth muscle tissue and elastic fibres. That smooth muscle tissue is there so your arteries can physically contract, which helps narrow the lumen, which helps maintain that blood pressure. The exterior of your artery is called the tunica exterior or the tunica adventitia. This is a layer that's strong, made out of connective tissues and collagen. That's there to help go and hold all the artery together and stops it from being damaged. So some general properties of our artery. So your arteries always carry blood away from the heart. They always carry oxygenated blood apart from the pulmonary artery that leads to the lungs. They've got a thick muscular wall. They've got a very, very narrow lumen. And it's worth noting that blood in the arteries is always under high pressure because it's got to go and pass around the rest of the body.